Today we're going to be starting a new project. We're going to be doing pavers, artificial turf, a barbecue, a fire pit. It's a very small backyard, but it's gonna look so good when it's all done and complete. Follow me. So right here, we're going to be doing a paver walkway with the landing. We already previously ran our gas line, and now the base is in, and we're just compacting it. So we're going to be doing a paver patio, fire pit right here, barbecue here, artificial turf, planter. It's gonna look good.
The next day.
We're here at Brad's job. We're going to be hauling away this dirt. I have some DG that we need to dump. I gotta move those pallets and figure out what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be doing some pavers here with the curb, some more pavers. Bien, bien, ¿y tú? El plan de ahora, de una vez hay que meter todo el DG, ¿no? Aquí metemos el DG primero para poder sacar esto, porque necesitamos hacer unos peraltes y extender el driveway. Y de una vez para sacar esto y poder, esto va a ser pasto. Yeah.
¿Y dónde los peraltes?
Acá enfrente. Yo pienso que sí, porque si no vamos a chingar aquí. Esto va a ser pasto. El paver va a ser hasta todo lo que es la casa. Sí, ya. Yeah.
¿Y aquí quedó un barbecue y allá afuera?
Barbecue, I mean fire pit y barbecue.
¿Redondo o
cuadrado? Ya. Yeah. Nomás que aquí está bien apretado, ¿verdad? No, pero acá afuera, el carro. De este lado. Por eso les dije que no trajeran el baño.
¿Tiene el camino?
Sí, van a ser los landings.
Ajá.
Y los peraltes, pues. So, los escalones los vamos a meter así. De este anchor. Ajá. Y ya este mismo peralte lo quiere aquí. De ese y ya te escaloneas para abajo. Y los pavers se van a extender al ras de los peraltes. So a lot of you guys ask how I get my business, and we are about to put these signs on. So this is the main street. We're doing that house over there, and I'm just gonna zip tie it to the fence. And these little signs have been a game changer for me. So we just made all the holes. All right, let's go. Let's go. Branding is how you will get your name out there and be able to expand, right? So our trucks catch a lot of attention. My signs catch a lot of attention. They're simple, but the color green is like very catchy, you know? You see it from a long distance. So we're here at Right Light Aggregate. We're going to be dumping a load of dirt and some fill from Brad's house. It's about 9:33 now, so let's go check it out. Y los muchachos.
Toma, todo que está allá.
We just gotta be careful because then you'll smack the fuck out of your hand.
I did yesterday. Punch up.
Twist it to the left a little bit.
Okay.
It's Tuesday morning. We're just pulling up to Brad's job site. Let's go check out what progress we have made. We were here on Saturday. We made pretty good progress, but then we got snowed on and that made us not come to work yesterday, Monday. So right now, this is what we're doing. ¿Es neta? So right now in this type of industry, in the service industry, it's all about creating service. You know, you got to service your client before they can even pay you something, right? Because you got to get them that experience, that it's going to be easy to work with you. So I'm headed out to Western Nevada. We're going to go get them some turf samples and just leave them at the doorstep. That way when they do come home from work, they're able to and make a decision on what type of turf they're going to be using. So that's huge. It's Alfredo's tip of the day, and I hope you guys are crushing it today. So right here, we got the Pavers, rock. We're getting ready for the polymeric sand. We're blowing the patio. Plumber's gonna come and we're gonna get this installed. We're gonna put 3 burners right there and it looks beautiful. We also did turf. It looks great. Look at that. Some rock, we're doing more plants here in the spring. We're gonna be doing more plants. But check it out. We're almost done here. So working in these new developments kind of sucks because there's no street access. You know, I have to park all the way in the corner, and then everybody's kind of working, doing their yard right now. But yeah, I mean, it just kind of blows how we have to park so far. The homeowners get mad at us for being in the way, and it's just a little chaotic.
The next day.
So we're just pulling up to the job site. Leon and the Ewing team just delivered the barbecue to us. So let's go film this and see what we're gonna be doing. I'm super excited about it, and it's gonna be a good day. Do you like the new one or you like this old one?
I like the new one because of how much I can fit on it. I like this one because it's not an automatic. The new truck's an automatic. That's not my jam.
You don't like that? You get tired of it?
Yeah, I'm just bored.
Hoy es el cumpleaños de la... ¿Cuándo hace?
Bueno, hasta que armaron no acaban.
Leon, so what's the benefit of doing this barbecue setup?
So these barbecues for you guys are wonderful turnkey deployments. So what that allows you to do is do more of them faster. Your customer has, you know, they can grill this evening, which is wonderful. You've done all the prep work, you've run the gas, you've run the fire, or excuse me, the electrical, and you're ready to roll. You just make a couple connections underneath, do some leveling like your boys are doing, let it rip.
Let's go. Go for it.
This is the upgraded burner here. Make sure you fill out that paperwork.
Okay.
Lifetime warranty on these, so if there's ever an issue, just reach out to the vendor. Easy swap. But these are bulletproof. These are tough. These are awesome. The one thing I want to do before we get too crazy is let's pull this out. Let's get the serial number on the side of this.
Okay.
Because that serial number, they're going to want to populate with this paperwork here.
Okay. Well, we have completed this project. It looks beautiful. It's a little more simple, but the features that we added to it are out of the ballpark. They look phenomenal. So let's go check it out. Starting with the front yard, we did 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to make it feel welcoming. This entryway looks beautiful. So we did this beautiful entryway to make it feel like home and more welcoming. We did 4 steps. We extended the paver driveway, and Now he's able to fit 2 cars comfortably. As we come over here, we did this paver walkway with this paver landing. That way, I mean, who knows what he's gonna do here, right? But we maximized it. It's flat. He's able to walk his trash cans comfortably, and it looks beautiful. As we go through the gate, we're gonna walk in and see this beautiful paver. It's Catalina Granna with a graphite border. And then we did another little patio here so that he can put his trash cans. We're maximizing this little backyard to its full potential. So as we're walking in, we got this beautiful bowl kitchen. It's a 4-burner kitchen. These kits are really easy to build. All we got to do is connect our electrical and our gas line. He's already got his patio furniture out here. And lastly, we got this artificial turf. It looks beautiful. ROCKO's gonna love the artificial turf. For those of you guys who've been following me on social media, you're gonna be able to see that ROCKO was on our stories, and ROCKO loves it. Thank you so much, Brad and Jen. It was a pleasure working with you guys. Thank you for hiring the Longhorn team to build your backyard. It's your retirement home, and I couldn't be more pleased. I appreciate you guys' support. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.